Grenade! Breen! Breen can talk now! Say hi, Breen!
Hello! Hello!
And
I'm trying to join, but I... yeah.
Hey bro, you want this grenade?
Sure.
What the hell, dude? That was my gift. I want you guys to get OBS and record.
No, please don't.
It's just so I can get your perspective. Like, it's a lot funnier if I like hit you with a car and I can see you getting hit by a car from your perspective. Okay?
Okay.
Alright, there you go. Oh my god! Ah! What is this bastard? This is horrible! This is Green Breen. Ah! No, get off me, monster! Yes.
Hey guys, I exist now.
Shut up. No one cares. Stop ruining! I taught him a lesson. You're
It
ruining
needs more blood. It needs less you. I fixed it.
I just see you getting annihilated.
Now.
Oh, good God. The wheels are trying to be on top of me. Look at this thing. Oh my God. I think this whole computer died. Yeah, look at this thing. Oh yeah. I tried. Yeah, we'll hop on. It's gonna take a seat up front.
Seems about right.
Look how fast it is! Yeah! This is the previous driving experience. Wait, hold on, wait, I know a modification we could make to this glorious piece of technology. It'll make it funnier, to say the least.
Ouch.
It's called we attach a nuclear weapon to the
Quick,
front
press
of
this
it.
button.
Ooh, a button! No! Stop! I'm going to attach it to the front of this car. Very gently. Okay, now we will weld it. Alright, observe the latest innovation in terrorist suicide bomb technology. Oh my god, that's amazing. Hold on, wait, let's make another one. Okay, so over here, we have this quaint little Midwestern village. I know I live in the Midwest. We have the essentials, the hobo shack, the adequate housing, and then the KFC. And then we will take our death lawnmower. Alright, here we go. Are you guys ready to see the server crash? I know I am.
I ain't.
Oh, hey, bro.
Hi.
Is this what you meant by premium seating?
Yeah.
It's all gone. Oh my god. Look what happened to this place. surprised my computer didn't explode. Perfect. This will solve that. This is green.
Wait.
It has been manufactured with incredible technological advancements in construction, including,
Let's see. Oh, damn. Oh my god. My ears.
For the motherland! For Green Breen!
Ah.
Alright guys. Alright guys, we're gonna have a fun race. Hey dude, we're gonna do some very safe racing. Alright boys, line up. 3, 2, 1, go! Remember, if you crash into something, there are consequences. Get away! Oh god. Oh god. Oh god.
Oh no.
Oh god! Oh god! Oh, I'm gonna die. And then, oh god! What are you doing? They're like, freaking how are you alive?
I'm currently driving down the wall of the pit.
Oh!
Oh no.
Sick, bro. Oh, is that it? You can see it through the map!
Oh no.
I win!
I had God mode on, I
I win! I am the coolest. Wee! Oh no. Oh. You'll never take me alive.
No, my car.
You'll never catch me, Spider-Man. I do hope you're not launching up into that. Step on it. Cadabra.
This is not the hospital. No.
Haha. Got you.
Sure.